morning, doctor.
Good morning.
I'm Colonel Sudhir Barge.
Okay, have a seat.
I have got a slight problem.
Okay.
I thought I'll try your expertise on this problem of mine.
Okay. How can I help you? What is your problem?
My problem is basically, I'm a retired army officer.
Okay.
I'm 71 years old.
Okay.
I have got low backache since a long time.
Okay.
And I have had this problem since last 30-40 years.
Okay.
You see what happened, I was working in the garden and I tried pulling out a root.
Right.
And something happened with my lower back. And since that time I had this problem, though that time I got it checked up, nothing was detected.
Okay.
And I have a perpetual pain in the lower back area.
Okay.
Can I show you where it is approximately? You see, it is basically a little bit on the right, on the spine, a little bit on the right, and little above the buttock.
Okay.
So approximately this area.
Okay.
Okay.
Right. Is it localized or it comes?
No, it is localized only.
Okay.
Plus a little pain on the front portion of the bone.
Right. Okay.
The hip bone, the front portion. There's a slight pain there also.
Okay.
And this pain has been there for the last 30-40 years. I have tried various things.
Right.
It hasn't worked out. So I have learned to live with it, frankly speaking.
Okay.
But then suddenly I got a thought, why not try something different than allopathy or Ayurveda or something. And suddenly I saw a couple of YouTube movies on acupuncture.
Okay.
The needle, Chinese needle, what they call it.
Right.
So I thought, let me try it out, because I have seen some exceptional results on this YouTube. So I thought I'll just this thing. So I did a Google search.
Right.
Who are these people who do this in Pune?
Okay.
And then I got a site by Proctor or something like that.
Right.
And there all the doctors are
Correct.
registered who do this acupuncture. And that's where I got your name.
Okay.
And then seeing the qualifications of each doctor, the availability and the proximity to my house,
Right.
I selected you.
Okay.
So that's how I've come to you with this problem. How can you help me?
Does this aggravate when you're sitting? Or
No,
when you're
what
standing?
happens is normally this is aggravated when I get up in the morning from my bed. I find a lot of stiffness, pain when I get up. Then I do a little bit of exercises for about 15-20 minutes. And after that I have a cup of tea and all, and then I go for a walk. When I walk for about 200 meters, then the pain disappears.
Disappears.
Sort of. And then for the rest of my day, then I'm quite comfortable. There's no pain. It's only early in the morning that this tenseness and that pain is there.
Okay.
But once I walked for 200 meters, I normally walk 4-5 kilometers every day.
That's good.
But then after that, I'm quite comfortable for the whole day, till next morning again.
Okay.
So that is my problem. How can you help me?
Sure. Can I just have a look at your pulse and your tongue? Look at your tongue. Okay. See, we will be treating you with acupuncture.
Okay.
Now what is acupuncture? As you've seen on your on the
I've
YouTube.
seen on the YouTube, but actually what are those needles or whatever?
What we do is, we have a 15-day session.
Okay.
Generally a 15-day session. Then we take a break of 15 days. And if required, we take another 15-day sessions.
Okay.
What I will be doing is, I will be pricking these kind of needles. Right? Needles.
Okay.
Right? And keeping them
Are they
on your
very
body.
big?
No, they're very small, tiny. It's as good as a painless prick.
Oh.
Right?
I thought they would be very painful.
No, it is as good as a painless prick. Right? And these will be kept on your body for 15 minutes.
Okay.
So 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay.
Sometimes maximum 30 minutes.
Okay.
Right? After that they are removed, and then you are ready to do your daily routine.
Okay.
Right? Along with this, if required, I will put electrical stimulation to these areas, wherein we pluck the electrical wires to this, and electrical stimulation is given. Another mode along with this is we give you, I give you heat.
Okay.
Right? Now by heat you get relief faster. So this is the cigar by which I will be treating you the heat treatment. The cigar is called as moxa.
Okay.
Right?
Means what it is?
It is a herb.
It is lit up or something?
Yeah, it is lit up.
Okay.
Right? And then I give you heat from a small distance.
Okay.
Right? This is a very concentrated heat.
Okay.
So this concentrated heat will give you pain relief very immediately, along with the acupuncture needles. Along with this, I put a few studs in your ears.
Okay.
Right? So this will be giving you.
Stud means you will be making a hole in.
No, I will be
like
just
the
giving
girls do.
seeds. No, not that way. There will be tiny seeds
Okay.
like this.
Okay.
Right? These are kept in your ears
Okay.
for around 8 to 10 days.
Okay.
Right? And so this gives you continuous stimulation.
Okay.
This is how I will be treating you.
Okay. This is a 15-day,
15-day course.
15 sittings.
15 settings. Sometimes on your back, the
Okay.
needles are placed on your back, and sometimes on in the front. There are a few points in the front which we take.
Okay.
Right? So this way the treatment goes on.
And every day, how long will it take? An hour or two?
No. 25 to 30 minutes max.
Okay. Okay. So
Actually, time of treatment is only 20 minutes.
okay.
But you come,
Okay.
you start the treatment. By the time you leave, it's a half an hour's time.
20 minutes means the pins, the
Yeah, after the
needles
pins
are
are
placed for 20
20
minutes.
minutes,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Are they very painful?
Not at all.
Okay.
That
okay.
you will be telling me.
Okay.
Whether they are painful.
Okay. So from when can we start?
Whenever you say,
Uh,
whenever it is comfortable for you.
and another slightly personal question or private question. How much does it cost?
Okay.
What is the cost like factor
The
for this?
cost of it is 300 rupees each treatment. Right?
Each treatment, each
treatment,
sitting?
Yeah, each
Okay.
sitting.
Okay.
Right? I use sterilized needles.
Okay.
Right? The needles are opened in front of you and they are thrown in front of you.
Okay.
We don't do re-sterilization and stuff like that.
Okay.
So from the hygiene point of view, it is totally safe.
Okay. Okay.
Side effects, if you would ask, I would say minimum side effects would be just a drop of blood,
Okay.
not more than that.
Okay.
Sometime out of these 15 days, you might have a small bleeding from some point.
Okay.
But that is a very minimum.
Okay. Chalo, you're sounding quite encouraging.
Okay.
And frankly speaking, I've been having this for so long. I really don't mind trying it out. Okay.
Fine.
So when can we start?
Whenever you say, I'm here from 8 to 4, so we fix up an appointment and
Okay.
we can start anytime.
Shall we start today? Are you free today now?
Yeah, sure.
So can we start today?
Sure.
Okay. What do you want me to do?
Have you had your breakfast?
Yes, I have.
Oh, fine. Whenever you come for treatment, please have something in the morning around 1 hour before. Why? Because this system works on energy.
Okay.
Like how we say in allopathy, all diseases are because of bacteria or virus, right? In acupuncture believes that every organ has his own energy and these energy wires are interconnected.
Okay.
Right? So when a disease is formed, the energy is disturbed. There is either a stagnation or a deficiency.
Okay.
So what we acupuncturists do is, we put the needle at the point of stagnation and we maintain the flow.
Okay.
And that brings back the health. But because this is related to your energy, so you should have a good breakfast and come. If you are on a very low energy, you might have giddiness.
Okay.
Right? So it's only for that, because it works on energy.
Okay. I think we'll start today then.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. What do you want me to do now?
You'll have to lie down on your stomach.
Okay.
Right? And see where your points are there, and accordingly I'll just pick.
Okay.
Good morning. I'm Dr. Priti Deokar. I am a consulting homeopath and practicing acupuncturist for the last 25 years. I practice traditional Chinese acupuncture and Suzhou acupuncture. In traditional acupuncture, Chinese acupuncture, I treat by needling on the body. Whereas in Suzhou we just treat on the palms, on the hands, or on the feet. Right? There are different modalities which are used in these treatments. First, foremost is, as everybody knows, is the needles, acupuncture needles. These are the sterile acupuncture needles. These are the needles which are pricked and placed on the body on selective points, and they are placed for 20-25 minutes. Sometimes plain needling is done, whereas if required, we use electrical stimulation to these needles. The other modality used is a moxa cigarette. This is a herbal cigarette in which we heat this and we apply heat to the localized painful areas. The next modality which is used is this cupping. These cups are placed and they are placed like this. There is vacuum is created, vacuum pressure, and it is very good for pain relief. These are how they look, and this is the instrument by which they are placed on the patient's body surface, right? And a vacuum is created and they stay on there, whichever is the area, and this is removed after 20 minutes again. Right? There are different sizes depending on the area. The size of the cup is chosen. Right? Then in traditional Chinese acupuncture, we have again ear studs or ear needles. These are the studs, these are the needles. Right? These are placed on the ears and they stay on there for 8 to 10 days. This gives continuous stimulation by which the energy is balanced. These are the different instruments that are used in traditional Chinese acupuncture. Now, in Sujok acupuncture, there are other instruments in which we use. In Sujok, generally the treatment is done only on the palms and feet. So the patient is given a ring, and according to his disease, we ask him to, this is called a Sujok ring. In Sujok, we have other modalities like magnets, these are different magnets which are taped on the specific points, and these are taped and placed for around 4 hours to 24 hours. Right? In Sujok again we use color therapy, where different colors are used at those points. These colors, they are used to either increase the energy if the organ is deficient of it, or reduce the energy if the organ is excess of it. Accordingly, these colors are used, and this is called color therapy. Right? Another modality which is used in acupuncture, Sujok acupuncture and acupressure treatment, are these seeds. These are simple home seeds which we have at home, right? And placed for 20-24 hours on those specific points. Right? These are the different modalities that are used in the treatment, and as required by the patient, I choose which treatment will help him best, and we treat using these different modalities. I will start the actual treatment on the patient. Right? So today we will be doing needling on him and a little bit of color therapy. Now we start the treatment by pricking the needles on the specific points. Okay, Mr. Barge, lie down. Comfortable?
Yes.
Should we start?
Please do. I'm trusting you that the pricks will not be painful.
For sure. Okay, we start.
I can hardly feel the prick.
I told you, they are painless. Near to painless.
Yeah. How many pins, how many needles have you put in the various places?
Total needles are 10.
Okay.
Right? One is in your skull, one in the ear, 2 on your hands, 5 on your lumbar area, and 1 on the ankle.
Okay.
Now these will be placed for 20 minutes.
Okay.
Right? So take a good nap.
Oh.
Okay?
Okay, okay.
Yeah. "20 minutes of treatment are done. Now I will be removing the needles and I will be discarding them.
Doctor, is there any bleeding anywhere?
Nowhere, not a single drop.
Oh, very good. I don't seem to have any blood.
No, you have a lot of blood. Okay, we are done.
Okay.
Okay, you can get up. We have done with one session of acupuncture treatment for pain. Acupuncture can also be used to treat other diseases like gastritis, gastric ulcers, paralysis, pain, psoriasis, eczemas, all hormonal imbalances like thyroid, PCOD, infertility, male infertility and female infertility both. Then it is also good, it helps in mentally retarded children, cerebral palsies. It is also very useful in general immunity increasing. So all immune disorders, acupuncture helps very good. Other diseases like depression, stress, all emotional disorders, acupuncture has a very wide scope to give patient a good relief.
Thank you, doctor, very much.
Thank
You have been
you.
very kind. You increased my knowledge on acupuncture quite a bit. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.